Good day everyone. Welcome to the video of Vita Scientica Private Limited. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn more about our product Keyam, product volume 101. So Vita Scientica has come up with a new concept of healthy microbiome for healthy life. Microbiome are nothing but the group of bacterial cells, fungi cells as well as viral cells that are present in your body and play different roles in your body. So if you can keep your microbiome healthy, these microbiome are going to ensure that you remain healthy for the rest of your life. So these microbiome will help you lead life full of energy, a life full of healthiness, and a life where you will enjoy restful sleep. So let us understand more about the product and let us understand what is the basic science behind this product. So billions of years ago, microbiomes were inhabitant of the earth and humans have developed from them. So microbiomes, or the smaller cells, they have inhabited the earth since the beginning of the evolution. So first there was sun which developed, from sun moon developed, and finally our earth developed. After the development of earth, the first cells that came to life on earth were the bacterial cells, because they were the simplest form of cells, they were the simplest form of life, they were single cell organisms. And finally all the multicellular organisms which we called as eukaryotic cells have developed from these cells which are commonly known as prokaryotic cells. So the life has ultimately developed from these cells. These cells have accumulated together to form multicellular organisms. So in turn we can say our body has been developed from these type of cells. And now we have a very friendly pact with them. We give them food and shelter, and in turn they help us with producing of such type of chemicals which help to keep your body fit, energetic and healthy. Human body comprises of large communities of microbiomes, and these microbes have co-developed with us from birth till we live. So yes, all these microbiomes or all these microbes, they co-developed with us. We get exposed to them when we get birth, whether we get birth from normal delivery or we get birth from C-section. We start to get exposed to these type of microbes or microbiomes that are present everywhere in the environment. Also, they are present in your mother's body. So we get exposed to these type of microbiomes as soon as we get birth, and these microbes or these microbiomes continue to develop with us according to the type of food we take, according to the environment around us, and according to different type of environmental conditions that we get exposed to, and the type of food, drinks that we take. These microbes or microbiomes keep on developing accordingly, because these microbiomes play a very important role in digestion of your food. So the type of food you take helps those type of microbiome to grow in your body, because your body has to digest that type of food and all the nutrients needs to be taken from that type of food. Microbiome influences the development of most organ systems of body and also modulates growth and development. So scientifically it has been proven that these microbiome are helpful in development of all type of organs like your brain, your heart, stomach, kidneys, ureter, your pituitary gland, lungs, your liver and your entire digestive tract. So basically they are inhabitant or they are present everywhere in your body, and they help in development of your organ systems, as well as they help to modulate your growth as well as your development. So the better our microbiome is there, or better colonies of good bacteria are there in your body, the more your body is going to grow well, and more your body is going to remain free from all type of harmful pathogens, because it also helps to develop your immune system. So better your immune system, better you will fight all the diseases, and better you will remain healthy and fit for rest of your life. Microbiomes develop our immune system and helps to produce energy from food. So whatever food we take from mouth, ultimate result of that food is to produce energy in your body. Whatever type of food you take, whatever type of fruits, juices, any type of breads you take, any type of vegetables you take, ultimately the aim is to produce energy. So anything which you are taking from your mouth reaches up to your intestine. From intestine those nutrients gets absorbed, and finally those nutrients starts to reach to each cell. So every cell is accustomed to produce energy for themselves. So they have an organelle in there which is known as mitochondria, and that mitochondria ultimately produce energy for each and every cell. Your body feels full of energy, your body is very energetic, and you are able to do all the activities you wish to do in your life. If your food is not going to digest properly, if these healthy bacteria population is not there in your body, or those type of bacteria that can digest those type of food that you are taking regularly, ultimately you are not going to get any type of energy from the food. Your body will feel lethargic, you will be there less of energy, and your body is not going to cope up with whatever things it want to do. Also, your immune system. Basically, immune system is something which helps you fight from diseases. So if you get exposed to any type of pathogens, this immune system kicks in, and ultimately that immune system helps to eradicate all those pathogens out from your body. So the more your immune system develops, the faster you are able to recover from any type of infections that you are encountered. Every human have different set of microbiome. They are just like fingerprint of human beings. So every person, since these microbiomes are present in your gut, skin, oral cavity, nasal cavities, as well as on your colon and genitals, every person has a different community of microbes that are there with you. So my microbes are not going to get matched with the microbes of anyone, because these microbes or microbiomes develop according to the food habits you have, according to environments you get exposed to, and also it depends upon the type of people you interact with regularly. So different type of colonies or different type of bacteria are there in body of each and every human being. So all those products who claim that they can develop healthy bacteria in your body, or which contains healthy bacteria which will provide you good health with good digestive system, do not work for everyone. For some, they might be beneficial. For rest of the people, they might not be beneficial, because your bacteria, when is not matching with my bacteria, then how the product that works for me is going to work for you also. So that is why it is very much important that yourself grow your healthy microbiome, healthy bacteria in your body, and more the development of that healthy bacteria in your body is there, more your body is going to be fit, healthy, energetic, and your body is going to have that restfulness, restful sleep, different type of chemicals which ultimately gives you energy, which keeps you motivated, and which also helps you in many type of reactions such as fight and flight also. Microbiome plays very important role in maintaining healthy gut-brain communication, which is also known as gut-brain axis, GBA. So GBA is basically a correlation between gut and brain. So your gut communicates with your brain, and your brain communicates with your gut. Basically, if there is any imbalance which is there in your gut region, or your healthy bacteria count reduces, or there is imbalance between those healthy bacteria, it starts impacting your brain, because they are talking to each other, they are continuously communicating with each other. So if your gut is not fine, your brain is not able to perform all the daily activities that it needs to perform. So imbalance in the gut microbiome influences your brain activity, and also influences the general wellness of your brain as well as general wellness of your body. So explaining with another simple example is that whenever you need to go and present yourself on a stage, or whenever you have an exam tomorrow, the first thing that you feel stressed out, your brain gets stressed out, and the stress is reflected in your gastric motility. You feel more of like diarrheal conditions, you feel like your stomach is not right, which means your brain is continuously giving the message to your gut that I am not feeling good. So your gut also respond accordingly, that okay, if you are not feeling good, I am your friend too, I am also not going to feel good. So if your gut is going to remain healthy, your brain is going to remain healthy. If your brain is healthy, your gut will be healthy, and all the organs that are present in your body are going to remain healthy if your brain is able to perform all the activities that it needs to perform. Microbiome also plays a very important role in development or functioning of mitochondria, which is responsible for keeping you energetic and young. Science has proven that with aging, that how a person age, removal of damaged mitochondria, if mitochondria is going to receive proper amount of nutrients, it is going to produce lot of energy, and that energy is going to reflect in your daily activity. But these mitochondria, or these damaged mitochondria, because every cell has a cycle. So mitochondria also, after working for some time, they get deteriorated, they get damaged, and that damage needs to be replaced. So this process is called as mitophagy. Now, mitophagy may increase. So the removal of damaged mitochondria by a process, mitophagy, the process is called as mitophagy, but this mitophagy may increase due to imbalance in microbiome. And microbiome are very much responsible for producing a chemical which is known as urolithin A. Urolithin A is something which helps in development of mitochondria. So if there is increased mitophagy in your body, that is mitochondria being damaged more, so So what you want is that your mitochondria should get produced. Your mitochondria should be produced in larger number. And that is the responsibility of a chemical which is known as urolithin A. So if you wish to stay healthy, if you wish to stay young, if you wish to stay energetic, you must ensure proper concentration of urolithin A, and that urolithin A will ensure that the healthy microbiome produce urolithin A, and ultimately that urolithin A is going to help the production of mitochondria in your body. Now, imbalance of microbiome also leads to one of the condition which is known as leaky gut. Now, leaky gut is something because your small intestine from which the nutrients are being absorbed, they are very tightly packed to each other. So all the cells that are present in your small intestine, they are very tightly packed to each other. But in the condition of leaky gut, these tightness of these cells, there is development of a gap in these cells. Because of development of this type of gap, which is being shown in the image, all the undigested food material, pathogens and any type of chemicals, they start to leak from the intestinal area and reaches up to your blood circulation. So when these type of undigested food material, pathogens, they start to reach up to your bloodstream, this leads to production of inflammation in the body, and this inflammation is the root cause of many bad things that start to happen in your body. Now the science has proven that any type of chronic disease that you get encountered is because of that inflammation which is being produced in the body, and that inflammation is due to problem of leaky gut. So if you can resolve this problem of leaky gut, all type of inflammation that is happening in your body is going to get resolved slowly and steadily. And as soon as that leaky gut problem is going to get resolved, person will feel much better from all those type of chronic disorders that have developed in due course of time in the body. So microbiome impacts the overall health. So imbalance is responsible for majority of diseases: obesity, IBD, IBS, liver diseases like cirrhosis, ALD, NAFLD, that is alcoholic liver disease and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, cardiovascular disorders, respiratory diseases, psychological disorders, metabolic disorders like diabetes, autoimmune disorders and certain type of cancers. They are all of imbalance of microbiome in your body. So if your microbiome are not going to be there in good number, if the healthy microbiome are not going to be there in your body, these microbiome or less of these microbiome or less of healthy microbiome are responsible for causing all types of disorders or all types of metabolic disorders that your body is faced with. So even infectious diseases, liver diseases, gastrointestinal diseases, cancer, mental or psychological diseases and also autoimmune disorders are because of imbalance between the good and bad bacteria in the body. So whenever there is imbalance between the good and bad bacteria, it is called as dysbiosis. So we have to reverse this process of dysbiosis if you want your body to be fit, energetic and healthy from all types of disease. Now, why this microbiome gets disturbed? So we have been able to understand very clearly that microbiome are responsible for development of your organs. Microbiome are ultimately responsible for any type of food that you are taking to convert it into energy. Microbiome also can reverse the process of aging. It can help you provide with good amount of energy. It helps you with good amount of restful sleep. It keeps you motivated to do lots and lots of things. It helps in development of many type of organs and also helps to keep you away from many type of infectious diseases, metabolic disorders, as well as many type of diseases which your organs are going to encounter in near future. So microbiome are something which are going to play a very important role in your body. So the balance between good and bad bacteria in your body are very much required. Now why this dysbiosis happen? Why there is imbalance between good and bad bacteria is because of disinfectants that we are continuously using in our home, household chemicals, mental stress, excessive use of fatty foods, alcohol consumption, mouthwash, pollution, pesticide in food. This is the major cause because of which your healthy microbial flora gets disturbed. Irrational use of antibiotics, chemical medications, and also sterile environment. Now these are some of the causes because of which your gut bacteria or the gut bacteria imbalance is there. The healthy bacteria count reduces and the count of bad bacteria starts to increase in your body. So all type of fast food, every type of fried food, high sugar content food, they are going to create an imbalance between this good and bad bacteria. So more the imbalance between this good and bad bacteria, ultimately your body is going to suffer. So dysbiosis is the reason that impacts health of all human beings. So dietary polyphenols, what is the solution for it? Solution is dietary polyphenols, they are the food for good bacteria. So if you wish to make increase in number of this good bacteria in your body, you need to consume more amount of dietary polyphenol. So the food that are rich in dietary polyphenols, they are the food for good bacteria. So if you make sure that your diet is rich in this dietary polyphenols, your good bacteria is going to increase in number, and more the good bacteria is going to increase in number, the pathogenic bacteria is going to reduce. So better the reduction in pathogenic bacteria and more the increase in good bacteria, your body is ultimately going to get benefited from this. Now, clinical evidence confirms that polyphenols keep microbiome healthy and reduces risk of many chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, COPD, Alzheimer's, diabetes, kidney diseases, as well as stroke. So preclinical and clinical evidence strongly suggests that any type of diet which is rich in polyphenols will help you keep the chronic diseases away. That is neurodegenerative diseases, cardiovascular diseases, cancer, diabetes, inflammatory, as well as infectious illness. So if you are going to eat food that is rich in dietary polyphenols, the microbiome are going to increase, the healthy microbiome are going to grow in number. So more the healthy microbiome grows in number, so it keeps you, or it reduces the risk of development of chronic diseases in your body. We have to start at very early age. We have to make sure, because it is always said that 20% of diseased population believe that yes, we are suffering from such type of disease. But 80% of population always believe that there is no disease in us and we are healthy. But ultimately they are at the pre-illness state. And they are also going to get impacted because of this pesticide-rich food, because of antibiotics, because of change in habits in your food, and the loss of good bacteria in your body. So what we need to do? We need to increase the consumption of dietary polyphenols in our diet. The more these dietary polyphenols are there in your body, more is the production of short-chain fatty acids. So more the production of short-chain fatty acids, the better the healthy microbial flora increases in our body. So understanding the importance of microbiomes in life is very much important for enjoying a healthy life. So we have to agree that humans have evolved from microbiomes. These microbiomes have coexisted with us since we have got birth. They play a pivotal role in development of many type of organs. They are responsible for all metabolic functions of body. They influences the function of your brain as well as your gut. Microbiome plays a very important role in the aging of your body by enhancing the growth of mitochondria in your body. They are responsible for providing energy. They play a vital role in defense. Imbalance of microbiome is called as dysbiosis, which may lead to leaky gut, and ultimately every bad thing that happens in your body starts to happen. Now many chronic diseases are there in the body because of this microbiome imbalance. So maintaining healthy microbiome keeps us away from diseases, and dietary polyphenols are the food for the good bacteria. So more you eat diet rich in dietary polyphenols, more your good bacteria is going to grow in number. So healthy microbiome means healthy body and healthy mind. Keyyoung with Keyyoung. So Vita Scientica presents a product by the name of Keyyoung, which is a rich source of these naturally derived polyphenols. So we have utilized completely natural sources in this product. It is obtained, these dietary polyphenols are obtained from fruits as well as leaves of superfoods, many type of superfoods that we have utilized in this product, and they are a rich source of these dietary polyphenols. So more the polyphenols that you take, more is the going to be enhancement of your good bacteria in your body. So Keyyoung is completely such a type of product which provides you with naturally derived dietary polyphenols, which helps to impact your overall health. This product has been developed with European technology. So there has been collaboration between Europe and us, where the technology transfer was done, and we have taken the technology from those people and ultimately have developed this product. All the manufacturing are being done in our WHO GMP plant, all these extracts, and the product is completely chemical free. So there has been many years of research that has been behind this product. It helps to restore balance in the body. It is completely a chemical free product with international quality. So key to good health, which helps in growth of healthy bacteria in the body, keeping you young, healthy and energetic. You can trust on our product. Keyyoung with Keyyoung helps for healthy living. In this video tutorial, we have learned more about how our product works, what exactly this book says about our product. So our product basically works on three simple mechanisms. First, it is going to optimize the gastric acid in your stomach. Second, it is going to increase or enhance the growth of healthy microbial flora in your body. And number third, it is going to resolve the problem of leaky gut in your body. So as soon the problem of leaky gut is going to get resolved, all the inflammatory responses in your body is ultimately going to get resolved. And because these inflammatory responses are responsible for many type of chronic and acute disorders in your body, these acute and chronic disorders are going to get resolved very soon. And we have to understand one thing, that we are microbiome. We have an unbroken bond of century, and we at Vita Scientica are providing you with an ultimate solution which is going to help you enhance the number of these healthy microbiome in your body. So more the number of these healthy microbiome are going to be there in your body, more is your body going to get free from all type of disorders. You are going to enjoy your life to the fullest, and you are going to live a healthy, young and energetic life. Thank you. All the best.